Hi everyone, we're here today at the beach, Hueneme Beach, and today on Tip Time Thursday we are working on mind decluttering, which is really just freeing our mind of negative thoughts. And I wish someone had told me earlier in my life that the thoughts I were thinking is what was creating my unhappiness, because it took me a lot of years to figure that out. So today we're just going to do a quick meditation here at the beach. We're going to be quiet for like 5 minutes, staring at the waves. We're going to breathe in the pattern that sounds like the waves and just clear our head. And that's my kind of tip for being more happy. Try to take control of your thoughts more often, because we are the ones that are in control of what we are thinking. And the thoughts that we are thinking are creating whether or not we're happy or sad or whatever. So I'm going to turn this way a little bit, and I'm going to start the timer on my phone, and we're just going to be quiet and do some meditation staring at the beach. So join me in Tip Time Thursday, beach time meditation, and we're going to start the timer now. So I just wanted to thank you all for joining me for this really short, quick meditation at the beach. Declutter your thoughts that you're thinking more often and take more time to do meditation and get control over your thoughts. And I think we'll all be a lot happier. Thanks for joining me on this Tip Time Thursday.